Hi guys, welcome back on TechAid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add multiple stories on Emo. First of all, you can open the Emo application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can see the option that is Add Story. At the top left corner of the screen, you can just simply click on the option, and here you can just simply select the picture or video, or you can just simply add a simple text by tapping on text. You can write some text, and now you can tap on tick at the top right corner of the screen, and now you can just simply after this tap on the share icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and now the story is posted. You can just follow the same process to add another story, and this is the way you can add multiple stories on Emo. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.